How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode for Streaming DYangBass. As you can see, I'm cooking something. I'm not gonna say it yet, but if you guys want to know, stay tuned. We're gonna get right into this. No time wasted. Watch these two. Peace. Got one? Yep. No way. It's crazy. Rock bass. And not big enough to keep. We'll let him go. When you throw small lures, of course, you'll catch something. Got him. That's him? Yeah, that's him. Oh yeah, it's good. Still not big enough. Little guy. Rock bass. Yeah. Oh. Clumsy as heck. Oh, got another one. Dude, there's a ton of them over here. Jeez. Oh, look, there's one following him. Whoa, this guy's a giant. Okay, I'll take him. Good fish. Go to the other side, yeah. Other side? Yeah, I want to build up on these raw rock bass real quick. Man, these hooks are good. Dick Smith hooks. They don't come off easy at all. Oh, there's one in the bucket. Nice rock bass. Oh, jeez. Can't lift them. Jeez. Oh, it's a giant. I mean, not giant, but a good eater. I'll take it. We need 5. Oh, and it pops off. Gotta find deeper pools. Deeper pools, more rocks. Super shallow right here. Oh, got a hit. Oh, I actually got him. Nice. Jeez. Small. Look at him go. My goodness. Danny. Fatty. Look how chunky it is. Wow. Nice. Another smallie. It's definitely fun fighting them, but not the target I'm going after. But we're catching fish, so I'm not complaining. Oh my gosh. Jeez, there are vicious over there. It's crazy. Watch this. Watch this. They're so vicious. You can just see them wake. Oh, and we're on. That's a nice fish. Holy cow. That's a big rock bass. Yeah. There we go. Find the smallies. Find a rock bass. Okay, okay. Much better. It's in the shallow. Oh, dude, I got one. What the heck? Dude, it's stacked. Put that right on top. Yep. Oh, it's a nice rock bass. Yeah. No, they're right by the rocks. It's the smallies. Look at this guy. He got gashed, dude.
Ooh. He hurt.
I'll keep him. I'll do him a favor. You see it? Swam off. He's on a bed. It's kind of deep right here. Right? Whoa, there's a lot of them right there. What the freak?
Really?
Yeah.
What?
Oh shit! I'm getting water in my boots. Get water in my boots. You see it, right?
Yeah, I saw him. Oh, there it is.
Don't the hole.
Whoa. He's going for it.
That's big.
Nice. That's a nice.
That's big and holy cow, dude. Oh, jeez.
Wow.
Whoa.
Dang.
Oh my
God,
gosh.
this guy is huge.
Oh my gosh.
Holy snap.
Oh, we gotta.
That thing is
You
huge.
should weigh it.
I gotta wait.
Holy smoke.
I
didn't think it was that big.
Right? He didn't even look big in the water.
Jeez.
That way. That way.
Oh, that's a smallie, bro.
Is it?
Yeah. That's a small. Look right there. Oh my god, he's good. He ate it. Oh my gosh, he ate it. That's a big one too. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
That was cool.
That was cool, dude.
That's a big one too.
That was so cool, dude. Wow.
Dude said that's a big one right there. Whoa.
I thought it was a rock bass. Wow.
Jeez.
That was so cool, dude.
That's a nice smallie.
Oh, yeah.
Under my legs. He's under my legs. Fuck.
Oh.
Fuck. What happened?
Where is he?
He's still running.
Is he really?
Yeah. Yeah, he's right here.
So mean. Chill, buddy.
Jeez. Doing under my legs, bro.
Your boots are done for
Yeah,
you.
my boots are wet, so it doesn't matter now.
Yeah.
It's okay. That's a nice fish, bro. See the spots on this thing? You got him?
Yeah. No, he's not done. He's not done.
You good, good,
Yeah, he's not done. He's not done yet.
Something's wrong with this guy.
Wow.
What's wrong with his head?
It looks like my forehead.
Dude said, that's a nice fish.
Jeez.
There's something wrong with this dude, bro. Here. Let's go to the shore real quick. It's called nice smallie. We're gonna keep it. Hey, just kidding.
Look at his head. Show his head.
There's something wrong with this dude, bro. Something wrong with this dude.
Oh, I shouldn't be laughing.
I know, right? We look like it too. I was my bro Danny. Yep, I was recording. Back into its nest. Something's wrong with this dude for sure, man.
Yeah, he's mad.
It wasn't because I stepped on him, right?
No.
That's so funny, dude.
He was already like that.
All right, yeah.
Dang.
Rock bass. Didn't mom say she wanted some?
Yeah.
Keep it. Inhaled it, dude. It's pretty. He's chunky, but he's small. Let him go. Let him grow. They're just inhaling the base too. Oh yeah, a storm is coming. Got him. That's a nice fish. It's another nice rock bass, dude. Yeah. Bro. Look at that thing. Wow. It's a good eater right there. We'll take it. But that storm is kicking in. Got him. That's a nice one. It's okay. Good eater, but we don't need them. The other ones go.
I don't know. Oh, right there. Oh my god. Oh, that was so freaking cool, dude.
That's cool. These are juice. They run like crazy. Look at them. Oh my gosh. And these are good too. Dude, these things are feisty as heck. Guess I'll keep them. Catch them, bro. Catch them. So freaking feisty.
Man, I want to be like you.
Dude, that's a big one. I'm gonna keep it because my mom just said she wants some, so. Hey.
What is that?
Big rock bass. Holy smoke. That's a big rock bass. Jeez.
That's a big.
Whoa, dude. Thing's huge. Oh my gosh. That's what we're talking about. Look. Danny.
Oh, I see it.
Bro, I have another spinning rod in my car. Mom, don't disown me. Up there. I got, whoa, this guy, yeah. This is the dude. Yeah, this is the dark one I saw earlier. That's the dude. Nice. Rocky. So, now that we got that out of the way, we are cooking rock bass. You can see I'm deep frying some raw rock bass right now. You guys seen it before. I've done it many times. Basically, I catch the fish, I fillet it. You guys can watch these B-roll as I talk. I fillet them. It's going to be just straight up fillet with no skin, and the other one will be fish whole because I like the fatty part of it. I like the fishy fatty taste of the rock bass. I enjoy the skin on it. That way when I throw the pepper on it, it's gonna be perfect for my tummy. So the ingredients is very simple. I'm using the Louisiana fish fry, seafood, breading mix. It's super simple, super easy to use. You could coat the fish with like hot sauce, eggs, or buttermilk, whatever. But this time I don't. Not too picky about it. I'm just gonna make it the way how I just want to eat it, and still delicious. It's an easy way to cook the fish fry. Check it out. You get them at Walmart, some grocery store, I guess, and it works great. So here's the first piece to the fillet. Again, it's nice and gold. If you focus, you guys see how gold that is. It is awesome. Rock bass. It's my favorite. It's a little hot, but you just can see how gold it is. Woo! Look at that. So good. I can't wait for the skin. My favorite. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat. You guys can watch me eat. But I'm going to enjoy myself because, man, it was amazing. I'm just gonna focus. There you go. Look at that color. Rock bass is the best, my opinion. My favorite out of all the panfish. I don't know if it's considered panfish, but you guys know what I mean. I prefer this over bluegills any day. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so good. Here, shake the skin. That's what I'm talking about. It's still kind of hot, so that's what I'm talking about. Is the skin? Like I said, it's still kind of hot, so if I'm ripping the skin off, there you go. That's so good. That is just delicious. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I'm gonna enjoy my meal. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna grab some rice. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.